Hi, kids. In October, Minette and I love to wear bed sheets and pretend we're ghosts. We chase each other around all over the house. It's super fun. We jump behind each other and scare each other. It's hilarious, but sometimes it gets us into trouble. Anyways, I think it'd be really fun to draw a ghost. It's pretty easy. So I'm gonna draw Mommy and Daddy ghost and a baby ghost. I start with the bigger ghost. First, the outline. It's a semicircle at the top, and I draw waves at the bottom. Then I draw a small black dot for the nose and bigger black dots for the eyes. There we go. Daddy Ghost is done. On the other side of the paper, I'm going to do the exact same for Mommy Ghost. The semicircle at the top, and I draw waves at the bottom. Black dots for the eyes. And I draw a small black dot for the nose. But to make it look a little more female, I'm adding 2 lines for eyelashes. But really, you could draw it exactly the same. And now, for the baby. I do the same, but smaller. And I place it in the middle and flying a lot higher. And black dots for the eyes. And a cute little nose. For fun, I'm gonna add some pink on the cheeks. Now, with the white crayon, I'm going to color inside. I want to make sure they're extra white. If you're drawing on white paper, you could use cream crayon instead so it shows. Here we go. Mom, Dad, and baby ghost. So cute. Happy Halloween. Boo!